If you're just using Amelia to take basic bookings, you're leaving money and a lot of free time on the table. Most users barely scratch the surface of what this plugin can actually do for their workflow. Today, I'm showing you 3 hidden features that will automate your cancellations, boost your average booking value, and stop those annoying "can I reschedule" emails for good. First up, the waiting list. Nothing hurts a schedule like a fully booked day followed by a last-minute cancellation. Instead of a dead spot, enable the waiting list in your settings. Now, when a slot is full, customers can join a queue. If someone cancels, Amelia automatically notifies the next person via SMS or email. It's hands-off revenue recovery. No manual back and forth required. Next, let's talk about increasing your booking value with packages. Instead of selling one-off sessions, bundle them. You can group 5 or 10 appointments into a single package with a slight discount. The magic here is the workflow. The client pays once and can book all their appointments in one single flow. It secures your income upfront and keeps your calendar full weeks in advance. And finally, the biggest time saver, the customer panel. Stop being your own secretary. By adding a simple shortcode to a private page, you give your clients a self-service dashboard. They can log in, see their history, and, most importantly, reschedule or cancel their own appointments based on your rules. It reduces support tickets by nearly 40% because they don't have to call you to change a time. These 3 features take Amelia from a simple calendar to a full-scale business manager. If this helped your workflow, hit that like button and subscribe for more WordPress deep dives.